Hello, ma'am. How are you?
How are you doing? I'm good. Thank you for asking. How are you doing?
Yeah, I have been doing well. Thank you for asking. I think we are meeting for the very first time. So, ma'am, I would like to know a little bit about you.
All right, Suman. So, my name is Ankita Sharma, and I am originally from Chandigarh, but I live in Gurugram for past 7 years, and I've been working as a teacher or trainer for past 4 years. I have worked with
Okay.
school as a teacher and coordinator, and I have worked with different institutes. And I've also conducted various workshops that were related to public speaking and parenting tips, teacher training programs. So that's about me. Do you have any questions, Suman?
No, ma'am, no.
Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, surely. So, as you know, my name is Suman Das. I live in Kullani, West Bengal. I am doing job in
Mhm.
an IT company. I have overall
Okay.
7 years of experience, as well as I have a small YouTube channel. That
Oh,
YouTube channel name is English with Suman.
okay.
Yeah, and I am a
Okay.
boy who has a wanderlust who love traveling. So this is my little bit short introduction, ma'am.
All right, Suman. So you said that you have your YouTube channel. So for how long have you been running this YouTube channel?
Okay, so I have been running my YouTube channel for 2 years.
For 2 years. And what kind of videos do you upload? Do you upload only English related videos or something else?
No, generally I upload English related videos, especially I upload dual conversation videos. Okay, so
Okay,
which
okay.
is totally help full for viewers because there
Mhm.
are so many viewers they cannot get this kind of opportunity, so I try to upload dual conversation videos with tutors. So tutor has lot of knowledge, so they can share their knowledge and I can easily learn from them. So there are so
Mhm.
many viewers, they uh, don't have enough opportunity to learn English.
Mhm.
So without money, they can learn so many things from YouTube, especially because day by day social media is evolving. The viewers can easily learn English or so many other technologies from different platforms, just like Facebook, Instagram,
Mhm.
YouTube, or
Mhm.
so many other
Mhm.
platforms. So that's why I
That's
try
an
to help
amazing
them.
idea. Amazing idea. So kind of you, Suman, that you have been thinking about those people, those who cannot afford such kind of courses, and you are uploading such videos on YouTube for free.
Yeah.
They can come and watch the videos and can learn from the videos, and they can take a lot
Yes.
from the videos.
Yeah.
All right,
And
good to know
especially
that.
and especially these days I'm creating short videos, which is very helpful for viewers because a lot of people I see these days they are uploading dual conversation videos. There are
Mhm.
co-learners, there are so many working professionals, they upload dual conversation video on their channel. So I thought each and every one is uploading dual conversation video. So I have to make something else. If I create something else, so viewers can easily grab that, what should I say, content. So
Content, conversation, and many new things from the videos.
yeah, so right now more than 30 countries people still they are watching my
People
content.
of 30
So
countries, yes.
yeah, so just you can imagine when I open my YouTube dashboard, then I feel proud because more than 30 countries people still they are watching my videos. It is a good achievement.
So instead of saying 30 people's country, or you can say people of 30 countries. Okay,
Okay,
you can say
people
that.
of
And
30 countries.
yes, yes. Okay,
Okay.
30 countries people instead of that. All right, Suman. So how did this idea come to your mind whenever you started your YouTube channel, like at that time? How did this idea come to your mind? Didn't you get scared at that time, like, okay, I'm uploading the videos, what will people say? What will be the feedback? Didn't you get scared at that time?
I got scared many times. Actually, when I started my YouTube channel, so that time I thought if I make any wrong sentence or wrong thing, so I don't know how they will uh, reply. Uh, because
You didn't know what
there
to
are
reply.
yeah, I did not know. So
Hmm.
after that, I saw a lot of dual conversation videos, which is totally
Okay.
uploaded by uh, co-learners. Then I did not see any wrong
Advanced
comments
learners.
because
Mhm.
yeah, because I realize each and everyone they wants to learn English. They don't want to do gossip here. Okay, so everyone only uh, wants to learn this um, subject. Okay,
Vocabulary, sentences,
e-
and
yes.
everyday new things, right?
So so
Correct.
then I joined EnglishYaari. Mm, After that, I did not upload any single video for 2 to 3 months. Once I
Hmm.
uh, believe myself I can upload videos on my channel, then I uh, uploaded one and two videos. Uh, and then
Then
I
you upload.
realized, yeah, then I realized, okay, viewers are giving me attention and they are
Mhm.
giving me good comment and they learned so many things from my videos. And then day by day, I try to upload dual conversation videos twice a week, okay, thrice a week. 6 months later, I saw my YouTube channel going well. Okay,
Ah,
yeah,
okay.
but at that time I um, resigned my job due to some reason. Later on,
You have
I
resigned from your job? All right.
yeah, yeah. Later on, I stayed at my home. Okay, 1 month. So 1 month continuously, I uploaded videos. After that, I got a lot of subscribers and um, a
Views,
lot of views. Yeah. Um,
likes.
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, right now my mind goes blank. What should I say? So
You
it
are out
was
of words.
amazing journey. But these days I am not uploading more videos because of lot of work pressures. Okay.
Okay, okay. But you have resigned from your job, so what kind of work now you are doing?
Actually, I am a front-end developer. I make website. So these days I
Okay.
am doing job in an IT company. So
Mm-hmm.
Saturday and Sunday basically is my day off. So it's only one reason right now I join your session. Okay.
All right.
But
All right.
during lunch time, I try to attend my session with certified tutors at 2 p.m.
Okay, all right. So,
from
Suman,
Monday to
uh,
Sunday,
Monday to
Monday to Friday
Monday to
at
Friday.
2 p.m.
Okay.
I try to attend tutor session.
Okay, okay, okay. All right, all right. So that's great. So, what kind of innovative ideas do you have in your mind, like for the future videos of your YouTube channel?
Okay, actually, I have so many friends. They are working in different field. Just like there are so many friends, they are doing animation work. They are a video editor or
Mm-hmm.
graphic designer. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
logo designer. So I tried to connect with them. I
Mm.
told them, could you
I tell them,
Mm, yeah, I tell them, could you make some videos for me? After that, they replied me, Sumandas, we don't have enough time to
okay, you're
make.
talking about like what they said to you in the past.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So that's why
Okay,
I
okay.
mentioned you and told. Okay.
Correct,
So
correct. Then it's
yeah.
correct.
Yeah, so then they replied me, no, Sumandas, we don't have enough time to make videos for you, so you can learn by yourself. And after that, I
Okay.
learned, how to edit video, how to make thumbnail, and how to
Hmm.
adjust, how to find right title, okay, description, category.
Description. Hmm.
Yeah,
Category.
so title,
All right.
description, category, this three part is very crucial
Thumbnail.
for
Yes.
each and every YouTubers. Yeah, especially thumbnail. So if your thumbnail is not good, no one will click that video.
Yes. Correct. It's
Yeah,
very important. And
yeah,
all these things you have learned by yourself. That's really commendable, Suman, because it's not easy to learn everything. Though I start like I think a lot about it. I have
okay.
creative ideas in my mind, but I never got a chance to actually apply those ideas in real life. So I'm also planning to do that, but I don't know when.
So do you
So
have YouTube
let's
channel?
no, I don't have any YouTube channel. I'm just thinking in my head, like, I need to start it. For so long, I have been thinking the same, but I never
Okay,
got a chance to just apply those ideas in my real life. So that is also like one thing is creativity and one thing is innovation. So I am in the process of creativity. I didn't get
okay,
any
okay,
chance to just apply this idea in the real life. So that is innovation.
okay, I
Let's
got it.
start. When will it happen?
Actually,
All
ma'am,
right, Suman.
we are human. We always think we will do something tomorrow, not today. This is
Okay.
our main
So
problem. So if
So
we
Suman,
start,
we can call it Suman, we can call it procrastinating. We have a habit of procrastinating thing, right?
yes, yes. So
Okay,
that's why we cannot start, those thing on time. So if we start these things on time, so later on we can get better result. Okay.
correct,
So
correct,
you
correct.
don't need to think more. You can start whatever you want right now, today. Okay, not tomorrow. If you
Yes.
start this thing today, right now, so you can get your result tomorrow.
So see, it happens, Suman, whenever we have a lot of tasks to do in a day, or whenever we are struggling with a lot of thoughts, then we feel like, okay, today it's the time. It's like let's just give more priority to my work as compared to doing YouTube channel, starting YouTube channel, or making any content or kind of things. So yes, it takes time, and one day there is always one day. So when that
Yes,
one day
yes,
comes, that everything happens like automatically, right? But we
yeah.
need that one day to start anything, whether it is YouTube channel or starting learning any skill or anything. We just need that one day in our life.
Okay,
Yes.
let me tell you something. Actually, I always think I will read book.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
one paragraph in a day. But I
Okay.
never
Okay.
ever start this thing. I only,
Never started this thing.
yeah, I never started this thing. So I have been trying to read book for 2 to 3 months, but I did not start. So it
Okay.
is
You have been
totally
thinking only,
worthless.
right?
Yeah, I have been thinking only. I will start reading book one day, but I never ever started. And right now I'm thinking after session I will read 2 to 3 paragraphs, but maybe
Yes.
I will not.
Okay.
So why this kind of things always comes in our mind? Could you tell me?
Yes, so these time kind of things that come in our mind is because we are struggling with a lot of ideas at one time only. That is why we are not
Yeah.
able to implement those ideas in our real life. If we have priorities in life, we set the priorities. This is the first priority, this is the second priority. Definitely we'll be able to achieve the priority, and we do not
Okay.
need to start with a lot of things together. We can start with 2 lines, 3 lines, one paragraph, then we can come to like 2 paragraphs and 3 paragraphs. Just start with the small and then you can continue, right? And like after some time you can just increase your paragraphs, like your doing first paragraph, then two paragraphs, then three paragraphs, but never start with a lot of things together. Okay, start with
Okay,
the
I
small
got
thing,
it.
then continue like that. Yes. Okay. So, Suman, I have just one question in my mind.